for studying my book, but I can't get you off my mind. Every move I make and every step.
Hey, what's up, burritos? Welcome to another DBS exclusive. Now, this week I'll be talking to a Jamaican band, a Jamaican boy group by the name of 8 The Band. 8 members in there. I think now they're down to 7, because you know how the group strips go. Sometimes people are in, sometimes people are out. But there's a new member now that was not featured, because when I did it, you know, the things they kind of set up differently. So this is the member that is, you know, back in the group. Alright. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy the interview. Make sure to say, if you're on the live, make sure to say just keep the chat active. I know the usual steps to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take it away, 8 The Band.
I'm missing you like crazy, and it shows. Oh, I miss.
What's up? I'm George and I play drums. How I started was from school. I attended Jamaica College and I started the band in 6th form. So upper 6, lower 6. So that's how I got into 8.
I'm Adrian Bacchus and I am the bass player for 8. How I got into 8 was that they had a rehearsal one day and Moses asked me to come to the rehearsal, which he's a keyboardist.
What's up, everybody? So I'm Moses and I play the keyboard in 8. Yeah, I started from, I was probably like 6. I had a few inconsistent years, but when I was in high school I started doing music seriously again, and it, you know, carried me this way. So one performance that was really great for me since I'm in 8 was the Governor General's Youth Awards. Yeah, that was spectacular, and you know, good vibes. And we also did something at the Bank of Jamaica that was really great as well. And it was really good because, you know, it's more than just an enthused feeling. It's really great. It's a feeling that touches the heart, a feeling that we like to see when we perform for people. Give them entertainment, give them love, and it's something we're going to use to change the world. So, thank you.
My name is Andre Bacchus. I play lead guitar for the band. And the reason why I love playing that guitar is because I grew up with most of the guitarists around me, so I just drew that specific instrument.
My name is Jara Dwyer. I play the lead guitar and vocals for 8. What I love about the band is that they give me a sense of, I would say, purpose. I enjoy playing music. I enjoy chilling with my friends. These guys are my closest friends, they're my brothers. And just being around them every day and playing music and enjoying myself is basically a dream come true for me.
My name is Dimitri Winter and I am a vocalist. And being in 8 for me it has been an awesome experience.
Hey Jamaica, my name is Matthew Gillespie and I'm one of the lead vocalists for the band 8. And I really started in music when I was younger, and I used to sing in the choirs and sing at church and stuff like that, the typical way how musicians start out. But from JC, which is one of my alma maters, I was in the band, and then from the band, you know, I met, you know, some very good people, and then these folks were in the band as well, and you know, we just gelled, and you know, my managers saw what it could be and just loved it. So ever since, we have been meshing together, blending together, and just promoting good vibes.
Alright, so who would you say is the coolest member of the group? The most fun?
The most fun? Me, definitely.
definitely.
Oh, so everybody agree?
No.
So if you feel like you are the coolest one in the group, you can just put up your hand.
Twins, of course. No, I'm two.
Alright, so who would you say is the what you call it, the most late person? Like if you have to reach somewhere, the person who reached their latest.
You can't depend on it.
Show me the stats. Show me the stats.
Alright, so in the group 8, who is the hungry belly one? That one is food is there, they make themselves available.
What are you pointing at me?
So everybody points, so it's between Matthew and Moses.
Jada would have taken
Moses play a case. Why are you the hungry belly one of the group?
The statistics shows nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Jada take that one.
Alright, so who do you say is the father of the group, the person who behaves like them, or the grandpa, the older, the parental figure role? Oh wow.
I would like to very much. Is that a great grand?
Yeah. Most likely to get in trouble.
Josh, there's no.
Alright, so the person who is obsessed, absolutely obsessed with social media.
Jordan.
Moses.
Moses.
I'll take it for what it is.
Alright, so in 5 years, where do you say the group 8?
Alright, in 5 years, I see us performing live for not just hundreds of thousands, up to even millions of persons in maybe a stadium, where we are reaching, we are inspiring, we are motivating. So the next 5 years, we're on a stage playing live music.
Yeah.
International, naturally.
In 5 years, we'll also see ourselves giving very high standard entertainment and just being innovative in the music industry, giving love to everybody and changing the world.
Not
and
only
also,
high standard, but clean music.
Fun, clean music.
Everybody was guys into it.
Yeah.
So that's where I see us, we see ourselves in the next 5 years.
And also keeping up to the Jamaican standard, to the standard that we want to perceive, as music as going forward for Jamaica being Jamaica's first read right now.
Oh wow, y'all sound intelligent, can read and write and these things, literate and everything. Rihanna or Beyonce?
Beyonce.
Shenseea or Spice?
No comment.
You take or Yui?
Yui. Spice too.
Dancehall or soca?
Dancehall.
Yo.
Slippers, yard slippers or Crocs?
Crocs.
Slippers.
Alright, so here's what I want you guys to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm big up in there.
Okay.
It happens, right?
It's random.
It happens.
Hey guys, this is 8, and we want to make sure that you guys follow us on Facebook, Twitter, as well as Instagram. Our Instagram handle is 8bandjamaica.com. Our Twitter is 8__band.
Our Facebook is 8band, so 8 space band.
And you can also check out our website at 8bandjamaica.com.
The YouTube is also 8 space band. Yeah, so 8band, same thing. And as you say, the website have all the links to everything.
All of them.
Yeah. So, and if you want us at any event or you just need us for something, 8. It happens. The email is booking@8bandjamaica.com.
No S.
No S. Yeah. Just BOOKING.
And remember,
8 is enough.
Well, that is it for this DBS exclusive. I do hope that you are staying safe and that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you can follow me on all of my social media at DuttyBerryShow all over the place, as well as to support the group 8 the band. Their YouTube pages here, so you can carry up there, so you can go and follow them and subscribe to them and all of these things. Peace out.
on. With birds on. Music is